Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel that will only bring you the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. So abafethu ngikuphathele zona manje zimi kanje. The Mamelodi Sundowns fans want Thembinkosi Lodge to leave the Mamelodi Sundowns as soon as possible. This comes after Thembinkosi Lodge posted a picture of Mokwena wishing him a happy birthday on his birthday wearing an Orlando Pirates jersey. According to a statement from the Fans Association known as the Mamelodi Sundowns online branch, fans want Lodge to be punished for showing disloyalty to Masandawana. This alone clearly indicates Lodge's intentions regarding his relationship with our team, the team that took him out of poverty at Orlando Pirates and made him the millionaire he is today. We call upon our technical team to see this as a red flag, especially considering that this season Orlando Pirates seem to be very serious about competing for the league title. We cannot rely on the player that appears to be longing for his 50k salary while he is currently earning far more on bonuses alone, said the source. So bafethu angazi ngempela mina wena, what do you have to say about this? Please place your views in the comment section about this. I will see you on the next video.